Hello guys! For today's video, samahan nyo po ako sa aking trabaho bilang Sangguniang Bayan member, Councilor ng Florida Blanca, Pampanga. Tara guys!
Barangay nalimutan, kahit pa may ipatan. Ika'y naging presidente, daringgang kapitan. 33 sa barangay, ilaring ketang bigling kurang. Yoyo kalukuran gapang, keti balaning Florida, kabuklat na rin mata, ika'y pa'y tunanda. Dengke kang sasapupan, ikaing lalapitan da, ABC President na kaning balen Florida. Medical mas OPO, scholarship itukan mo, uling netang kayanakan, ilaring figuran mo, amporing kang mga tuwa, atin kang proyekto, isundo mo kitang balen, karin king konseho. Jojo kalukuran daka, keti balening Florida, kamuklat daring mata, ikapantunan da. Tingke kang sasapupan.
Last June 20, 2023, we conducted joint committee hearing for the updating of the 2017 Market Code and for the evaluation of some proposed amendments to the 2017 Revenue Code held at the Sangguniang Bayan Assembly. Together with the I hope that the said committee report be validated.